Okay, on the latest build, here's what we have so far. So everything was going fine up until we get to mission 7, and if you see, I have 2 helicopters left, 2 spelling, 2 grammar. Okay, so here's the issue that we're having. So we get to helicopter. As you can see, I'm at my target, but nothing's going on. And I can still make changes, but nothing is moving. It's not reset, and it's not moving on. So we're having issues with the programming. That needs to be fixed. And then we'll let it run out, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so I can retry or I can exit. Let me hit retry. The retry button doesn't work, so we'll exit. And if it's a glitch, see if it'll let me do it this time. And the answer to that is, let's see. No. So we're having programming issues at that point. Okay, so let's, and then on this one, the issue that we're having here is the fact that we are (13 divided by 3). That's not an actual math. 10 divided by 3. These are all answers that don't make sense. 10 divided by 3, the answer isn't 3. So we need to remove those and make sure that we have correct division questions. As I'd mentioned before, we don't want kids learning incorrect math. So we need to fix the division part to make sure that we don't have those issues where you're putting in like 5 divided by 3. That's not a complete number. We don't do decimals. So it's going to get confusing and it defeats the purpose. So we need to fix that. 7 divided by 3. The answer is 2, but we know that's not correct. So we need to fix that. And then another issue I've taken screenshots is when we level up, we have duplicate rewards, which doesn't make sense. Like, why am I getting 2 turbos and 1 turbo? It should just say 3 turbos and be done with it, because that just gets confusing. We don't want to do that. We don't want 1 lightning, 1 rocket. Or can't we just have 2 lightnings and 1 rocket? And again, like right here, 2 stopwatch, 1 stopwatch. Just have 3 stopwatches. That would make more sense than to do it this way, because it gets confusing. And then for spelling, I did have an issue. This one I was putting in seat, S-E-A-T, and it wasn't working. So we need to fix that.